Hey, what is up, lawn care community? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to be talking about my fall cleanup beast machine, which is the SCAG V-Ride 248, accompanied by the Jrco leaf plow. They really complement each other well because you get the heavy force of this big machine and then the nice gate-like feature that the Jrco leaf plow gives you. It's a lot of force to push these leaves. I think the Jrco leaf plow would do great on any commercial mower. The SCAG definitely does have a lot of power behind it, so let's check it out. Here we have our Jrco leaf plow. You know, I was gonna do a video on putting it together, but when you do get this thing, it has like every single nut and bolt on here like you are putting it on. So just take that into consideration. I think this this leaf plow was well over $500. I got it from Weingart's. It's simply just this bracket, which this black bracket is the only bracket you need, and then you can detach the plow right there and you can put on like the dethatcher and other things like that. So what we've actually done, I'm sure this is not the perfect system for it, but we have this this rope here to keep the plow up when we're loading and unloading it off of the trailer. This leaf plow here has really worked wonders for us. Just a little overview once again of this Jrco leaf plow is it's well over $500. You got to put it all together yourself, but I think the work that it can output is well worth it. And then if something does break, I mean, you can order these caster wheels, I think off their website, or obviously from like Weingart's, the local dealer, or anything like that. Plus, a lot of this could just be found at Ace Hardware. I mean, those cotter pins. This little special bracket here, you'd probably have to order. See, there's like, goes in there, and it clamps together there. One thing too that we had to do, see this bolt right here, and then see those two lower bolts right there, I actually put those on because when the plow swings down and when we're using it, those are actually to brace the bottom of the plow. Because as someone noted in one of my Instagram pictures, someone asked if the leaf plow was bent, and the short, simple answer is yes, because you run into so many things. I mean, sometimes it gets stuck on cement that's up, maybe a curb, leaves that are like, you know, stuck on something and you just see a pile of leaves, but then you went to go close to a flower bed and it's a pile of leaves you're plowing, and then lo and behold, there was a rock there. So, for example, see this? I'm sure that's just curb damage, and it is what it is. So, guys, I did want to do just, you know, while I'm showing you this leaf plow, I am gonna show you basically my full fall cleanup setup here. This is the perfect, in my opinion, the perfect setup for a two-man crew. Let's get to a little bit more of my fall cleanup setup. So it's actually super simple. Tarp, rake, shovel, 2 gas cans. The Shurt can I use for regular gas. The other one with the long spout I use for the 2-cycle for the smaller machines. And you know, you might as well keep a handy strap. Yeah, nice high-vis vest. Just to, you know, be looking professional. Obviously, we got the 48-inch SCAG V-Ride 2 beast machine. I like it, but it's way too heavy-handed in my opinion. I'll probably be selling it. So, you know, it is what it is. You know, to really get the job done, these are the real, I mean, the plow is like the reason why we can push the mass, but these right here are the reason why the jobs really get done. You got the 800X Magnum. Thing is a beast. The short nozzle, it just makes it so easy to swing your arm back and forth. And then we got the 700X, and yeah, that plastic part has broken there. Oh look, some leaves from the last cleanup. We got the Accelerator bagger, standard size, that goes on the V-Ride 2. Safety cone to keep people, you know, aware that we're out here working. You guys know I got the Ballard EZ gate. I gotta make a video on that too, man. I've been slacking, you know. Pretty easy, simple video for you, giving you the insight on my fall cleanup setup, my beast machine, and just trying to give you guys, you know, just an insight on the exact kind of setup that really gets the job done. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave it a thumbs up, shoot a comment down below on what you use for fall cleanups, maybe some video ideas for me in the winter. Good luck to you. Have a good season. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.